this is Sue again. I'm starting to pack for my next cross-country trip, which will start in a couple weeks. This is a follow-up video from my last video where I showed you the essentials I needed to pack to travel cross-country. In this video, I'm going to show you where everything lives in the van and also give a van tour. This is the general route I'm going to take. It's going to be about 5 or 6 months on the road. I use my living room as a staging area. I have my gear lined up in sections associated where things will be placed in the van. This is what my staging area looks like and what is in the bins. Next, I will go through the van tour and show where things will be placed in the van. And here we go. It's 11 degrees out. We're coming outside to begin the van packing. So I'm starting with under seat first. I already have my jumper cables and my jack under the seat. I have some emergency traction, a set of tools, my bag of bungees, and some electrical light, extra lights and things like that. On the passenger side, I keep my extra blanket, my hammock, my shower bag, my screens, and 2 pee bottles. The electric cooler lives here. This is a styrofoam base I built for insulation. The cooler fits right on top of it. And then I built an insulated cover for those hot days in the desert. My 1000 Jackery lives here, and I can plug it in either from the solar panel or charge it off the car while I'm driving. Over the cab, I built an extension onto the existing shelf. It's pretty deep. Over the cab, I keep some emergency bathroom material, toilet paper, some of the plugs for my Jackery's map book, my window reflectix, some wedges to keep the screens in, fire extinguisher, a step for the slider, and my shower, and an extra pee bottle. So just a few things before I start packing more. This is a removable mini cabinet that I built with a little pocket on the side. Coming inside there are rugs that I have woven. This is my bed, and it pulls out all the way to here. My friend made me some cabinets, and I also put in mini plumbing. This is mainly for me to brush my teeth. There's a manufactured hole in the bottom of the van, and so I don't have to go outside when I brush my teeth. I have also installed a logging shelving unit. These are some soft cabinet storage. The tops can roll up. This is a size that fits in a full Sprinter van, but I made it work. I put some ivy and some lights that go around the perimeter of the car. This is my fan. I have a light for reading that will plug into the Jackery. In the back, I put some suction cup bathroom containers on the back windows and also some hooks on either side. I made my curtains and my valance. I've also installed some hooks for jackets and things. My cabinet is a cubby and 2 drawers, and on top I have a basket bungeed so it doesn't go anywhere, some paper towels, and a plate that I use kind of often. Underneath here, there's some bungees for some small storage. Under the bed I can store a bunch of things. The cubby is removable so I can store my solar panel behind the cabinet. As you can see, I've installed some bug netting. I've just tucked it into the existing weather stripping, and it goes all the way around, and I can unfasten it to make it cover the door. In the back, I have sewn a button quilt to keep some of the drafts out of the back door area. I have also put a pocket in the back here so I will store some of my reflectics that go on the windows in there. In the back I will store my water, some garage items, camping and hiking gear, and kitchen stuffs. The kitchen items can be accessed from the main compartment. This is a magazine rack where I'm going to store odds and ends. I use packing squares to organize my clothing, which I store in the soft cabinet. Cabinet storage looks like this. To maximize storage of this tiny little compartment, I've put in a visor bag. I also attached my sunglasses to the other visor. This I made to cover my cell phone. When it's hot in the desert and you're driving, your cell phone tends to overheat. I'm also using this handy in between the seat storage. In the front seat, we are storing shoes, coats, my bag of maps, and other items. To maximize every bit of storage, I found this box that fit perfectly right into this space. And I have it bungeed so it won't fall out when I drive. Next is making my bed area. In this portion of the video, I'm packing the large storage area in the Thule on top of the van. And because I need another sport like a hole in the head, I needed to stuff my gravel bike in the van so I can transport it to go get my bike rack. Hope you enjoyed my packing video. I'm headed cross country now. I hope you subscribe to follow along. See you on the road.